Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's say thanks to the God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because His mercy and blessing so I can make this video without any obstacle. Secondly, salam and salawat to the best prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness. So, before I start my explanation about written discourse analysis, let me introduce myself. My name is INSANI HUSNAH, but you can call me Inna. I'm student of English Education Department 2018 from PBAB at Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar. Written discourse refers to convey language through writing. To learn what is the form and function of sentence. Discourse analysis plays primary role that is to present the insights into the regularities as the answer to the question to help teachers teaching their student skills in writing coherent and readable texts. And according to Hassan and Halliday, a text not just a string sentence, but can be either spoken, written, and of any length. Okay, the next is cohesion and coherence in written discourse. Cohesion and coherence in a text are crucial. Cohesion refers to the way in which a text is tied together by linguistic devices such as grammar and vocabulary to set up well-constructed relations of meaning within text. In this regard, a text said to have coherence if its constituent sentence are constructed in an orderly fashion so that the reader can make sense of the entire text. Cohesion may be deemed as a factor which determines whether a text is well connected or simply a group of unrelated sentences to each other. Hence, if a text has high cohesion, it will determine a text coherence for a reader, since cohesion is shaped by the combination between grammar and vocabulary. Halliday and Hassan then analyzed text by using two devices such as grammatical and lexical device, and both devices are also called as cohesive device. Grammatical device or grammatical cohesion. Grammatical device can be understood as device used to create coherence in a text. The devices are called grammatical cohesion. Grammatical cohesion consists of four types. The first is reference. The second is substitution. The third is ellipses. Then and the fourth is conjunction. Okay, I want to explain about four types of grammatical cohesion. The first is reference. When people speak or write, we frequently see that the people use some particular words that refer to someone or something. The process is called reference. That is the act of referring to something or someone in a discourse. Okay, the second is substitution. Substitution is a type of cohesive device which is used to replace one item in a text with another in other texts. Substitution is different from reference, in which reference is a relation in terms of the meaning or semantic, and while substitution is a relation in terms of the wording or grammatical. Okay, the third is ellipses. When we speak or write, it is possible for us to get rid of a word or phrase rather than repeating it, and we don't need to provide a substitute for the word or phrase. We can simply exclude it and be sure that the omitted word or praise is still understood by listener or readers. Leaving out a part of sentence, assuming that previous sentence or context are able to clear up, the meaning is recognized. The meaning is recognized as ellipses. Okay, the fourth or the last is conjunction. Another type of grammatical cohesive device is conjunction, which is generally employed to link clauses by using conjunctive relation such as adjective and, adversative yet, causal so, or temporal then. In English, conjunction have an important function since they join words, phrases, and clauses together. Without using conjunction in this course, we could only make very simple sentences. There are at least 3 basic types of conjunction in English. They are coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and conjunctive adverbs. Okay, the next I will explain about lexical device or lexical cohesion. Lexical device refers to vocabulary used to create coherence in text. The vocabulary is then called carrying out the function of lexical cohesion. Lexical cohesion refers to the achieving coherence in text due to selection of vocabulary. According to Morris and Hirsch, lexical cohesion occurs when related word pairs join together to form larger groups of related words that can extend freely over sentence boundaries. In addition, Halliday and Hassan are of the opinion that lexical cohesion is a proic relation which is established through the structure of vocabulary, and it's a relation on the lexical grammatical level. Lexical cohesion has 2 major types. There are reiteration and collocation. Reiteration includes repetition, synonym or near synonym, hyponym or specific general, metonym or part word, antonym, and general nouns. Okay, I think that's explanation about written discourse analysis. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.